Hello, Habib here. In this video I'm going to make a tutorial for this YouTube user. He asked me to make a tutorial about this. If I write Google, then it teleport me to google.html. I'm not very sure what does he mean, but I think I can do something to answer this question. So let's get started by creating an HTML file here. Let me create a new folder. Here I'm going to create an HTML file. Here I type some necessary codes. Body. So here I will make an input field. And here I make a JavaScript block of code script. And for the input I will add an on key up listener, on key up, and it will trigger a function called check the word. And I create the function. Here I make a variable, a word equals to document dot get element by id. I will add an id, a word value. And here let me just write it on the console. Let's test the HTML. Here let's type something. Hello. Okay, if I type hello, it will print here the word hello. Okay, let's refresh. Now according to the question, we want to check if I write Google, it will teleport me to Google. Probably he means it will redirect me to Google. So let me do this. Here we will check the value of the word. Let me delete this console log. Here we are going to check if ever equals to Google, then redirect us to location.href https google.com. Else, if our equals to YouTube, redirect us to, I mistyped the Google. Redirect us to youtube.com. Okay, let's try it. Refresh the page, and here I'm going to type Google then it will open Google. Click back and let's type YouTube. It will open YouTube. I think that's all. Probably it can answer the question. It can answer this question, and let me know if you have any other question. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.